Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest news and updates. Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. Keeping up with the party's focus on strengthening the organization, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi kicked off his Gujarat Assembly election campaign today with a direct dialogue with the party activists from all the 182 constituencies. In view of the recent setback to the party during the August 8 Rajya Sabha elections, when as many as 14 legislators quit the Congress and 8 of them voted for BJP against the official nominee Ahmed Patel, Congress is trying really hard to ensure its flock stays together. At the campaign today, Rahul Gandhi said that we had told the government that there should not be so many slabs in GST and the maximum limit should be 18%. But that did not happen because the government does not want to listen to anyone. He further added that there are many people in the media who want to write against Narendra Modi. But right now there is dictatorship in India, and those who uttered a word against Narendra Modi are terrorized and beaten. He said that farmers and small businessmen do not run the media, but Narendra Modi and his close associates. Rahul Gandhi said that those Congress workers who fight with RSS and BJP on the ground will be allotted ticket. Attacking Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi said that the Prime Minister did not forego the loans of farmers and instead gave twice that amount to the Tata company for making the nano car. Rahul Gandhi also highlighted the failure of demonetization. He informed the workers that Raghuram Rajan had made it clear that demonetization is not going to benefit the economy at all. But Narendra Modi went ahead with his autocratic decision and did what he wanted to. As a final cautionary advice to the Congress members, Rahul Gandhi made it clear that if any party member tried to defeat the party, he will be immediately dismissed as the party's member. Well, Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party are trying their level best to sweep the Gujarat elections this time, but what eventually will happen, that time shall tell. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.